Hey guys, Jules, Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to learn Because of Who You Are by Vicki Yohe. This song was recorded in the key of G major, and then it's going to modulate up to A flat major. Okay, let's start off with the intro. You're going to start off on C major, to a D chord, second inversion on top of C. Then we're going to play a 7-3-6 progression, which is going to be the voicing of an F sharp minor 7, flat 5 with the 11. So, with the regular root position, we'll see. Okay, so to a B7, to an E minor 7, to an A minor 7, to a D7 sus2, to a D7. Okay, again. Okay, then you're going to play a C over an E, then a D over F sharp. And then the verses start. Because of who you are, I give you glory. Because of who you are, I give you praise. Because of who you are, I will lift my voice and say, Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Okay, so you're playing a G to an A minor 7 to a B minor 7 to a D9 sus4, which is a C chord on top of D. To the D, and then we're going to go to G, D over F sharp, to E minor, to an A minor 9, to that D9 sus4, to a G over B, to C, D over C, so this is really an F sharp minor 7 flat 5 with the 11. So let's play it where it shows up here. To a B, to an E minor 7, to an A minor 7. Okay, D sus 7 sus2, to a B over E flat. Because of who you are, Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Okay, so that little turnaround there after here is E minor, D, A over D flat, then A minor, proceed to the next section. You're going to go to a G9 sus4, That's an F chord over G. To a G7. Then we're going to go to a C major 7. My provider. B minor 7. Going around the circle of fourths. To E minor 7. Jehovah Nissi. Lord, you reign in victory. Jehovah, you're my Prince of Peace. Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Okay, again, G9 sus4 to G7 to C major, 7 or 9, B minor 7, E minor 7, A minor 7, D7 sus2, or D9 sus4. Then, this often missed chord here, so you're going to play an F. It's going to be an F with a 6. Then it's going to be a G over B. Okay, and then we're going to walk. Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Okay, then we're going to take this chord here, the D9 sus4, and raise it up a half step. Now we have entered the key of A flat. Okay, D flat major 7, C minor 7, F minor 7, Jehovah is D flat, B flat minor 7. Lord, you reign. Okay, I like to play an E flat minor 9. Reign in victory. To a D9 sharp 11. I know that run is in the Martha Munizzi version, but you can always add that on this passing chord here. Okay, then we're going to go to the D. Okay, D flat major 7. Now a 7-3-6. My Prince of Peace. So that's going to be a G minor 7 flat 5 to a C7 to an F minor. B flat minor 7 to A flat over C. Lord, I worship you. Lord, I worship you because of who. Now, for the ending, I'm going to play this unique, an F sharp minor 9. Okay. And so you can play an A major 7 or major 9. And then end on A flat. And that was Because of Who You Are by Vicki Yohe. Thanks so much, guys, for all the support, likes, and comments, and subscriptions. Thanks so much, and I'll be back with some more tutorials very soon. Take care.